Hello all, in this video we will see how to use the measure directive in LTspice. So to use it, first of all you need some test condition, right? So what we are going to do here is, we are going to take the voltage divider which we have talked about in the previous video, and then we are having a resistor which is stepped through various values to calculate the resistor divider output at different resistor values. That's what we have plotted here. Right now, so one problem of performing simulation at once for various resistor values is solved here, because at the beginning with a given value and with resistor values you don't even know what are the resistor values required here. Now that is solved. Now the biggest problem here is there are too many results here, right? So when you have these many results, what you generally do is you go to the view, you go to the select steps and do this, or you go to the step legend, see what are the different runs associated, or you go to the file, okay, and export data as text to see the results. Now these are the various things, and if for example, if you see in this case there are 50 iterations of resistor done. Now let us assume there are 1000 iterations, okay, and that is where it is very difficult to view that particular text file or the commands here or the options here in selecting steps, because the window will be filled with huge data. Now we have to filter down to certain conditions so that you can come up with a small list of things where you from where you can actually select your required options, and this is where the measure kind of directives come. So in this scenario, for example, let us assume I want to know what are the values beyond, what are resistor values for which the Vout voltage is beyond 4 volts. Now for that we have to first place the measure, okay, measure. This is the directive that is placed. So why we place this directive is, if you place this directive and you just right click on this particular directive, you see there will be a editor here, okay. So this particular editor will have the editing options where you need not even remember what actually is the command. You can actually fill the data in this editor and command gets built, okay. So in this case, what is applicable analysis, it could be any, okay, and the result name, what we are saying is output voltage is the name we are giving, or to simply out underscore val, which is very simple, and then we want to find the measurable quantity of voltage of, what is the output node here, V of V out, this is the node, and when, okay. If you want at a specific value you can do it, but if you want to have when this is happening, right, when V of V out becomes 4 volts, that means this is the command that is being built, dot MEAS statement, out underscore val is the variable, find is the directive, and V of V out when against and then V of out is equal to 4, and then when you click OK here and try to run, you can see the output waveform will never change, but when you click left click on this and try to test this, you see here it populates V out, all the V out values when they have gone beyond 4 volts. That means now you can select the resistor between 40k and 50k to achieve your 4.1. For example, our GSM modems and all generally work with 4.1 or 4.2 volts, right? And in that case, this simple calculation will help you in the resistor divider, to have a ratio divided with the output of the regulator to get an adjustable output voltage. And this is the easiest value to find now, right? You have very restricted values and you can choose the very nearest value to your voltage, and if required for this particular bunch, we can actually go ahead and change this from 40k to 50k with a step of 500 ohms or something, and have more closure values and keep like 4.1 as a restriction, and you can filter those values as well. Lot of things can be done, and this is all to simplify how we are actually seeing the results from your window. And once this is done, right, actually you will have file, okay, and then you can also export data as text to see all the output values populated in a text. You can use that option as well. For that, you have to click on the window pane, the results window pane, and then go to file and export data as text. Okay, so all these can be done, and in this file you can also see execute MEAS script as well. Okay, when you click this, it actually goes to opens the window, and you need to have some script here so that it gets executed. So even that can be done. That we will talk in the next videos. But we the intention here is how to simplify your life when you use the simulation tools, especially the LTspice, to filter most of the output values when you have this such a kind of clumsy output, and you are not sure where to start. And this gives you the exact starting statement where you can start using your directives that are part of the LTspice to achieve your goals. You can actually also do, instead of when, at means, that means when the output voltage is exactly at a specific value, what do you want to measure? Or at, you can do Vin is equal to some 3 volts or something. Okay, even that can be done. Okay, so that means there are unlimited opportunities here with measure out. You can actually trigger your different requirements from the statement window that is part of the LTspice.